What if the city of the future already exists? Valencia is submitting its bid for the Access City Awards 2026, not because of what Valencia wants to be, but for what it already is, a city that puts people at the centre. We trust in a pioneering institutional structure, a general disability management team which is directly connected to the mayorship, 6 municipal offices of accessibility, a specialised defender for the disabled, and a municipal council with active participation from the social sector. People with disabilities are the co-creators here, leading and checking our public policies. We are also the first Sport for Dis city in the world. We're pushing accessible technology forward with inclusive QR codes, adapted virtual reality, and employing the READY system, a trailblazer in emergency communication. It's a real commitment. More than 120 municipal programs, 100% accessible public transport, a target of 96% accessibility for urban spaces, and every year, more than 500 people with a disability enjoy our inclusive nautical activities. Valencia is getting ready to be a European model in urban inclusion and accessibility by propelling accessible tourism, strengthening its leadership in social innovation, and attracting promising investment in sustainability. We already meet the awards criteria, but we're going beyond that. We're getting behind digital accessibility, educational inclusivity, innovating in physical mobility, smart housing, an inclusive economy, and political participation, among others. We actively participated in projects such as La Harinera, La Mare Que Va, autism-friendly parks, and finally, the first cinematic dramatisation of a feature-length film in easy-to-read format. This bid is not only a recognition, it's a boost, because we want a Valencia that is kinder, more compassionate, and more sustainable and inclusive for all kinds of people. Valencia, a city of the future, in the present for everyone.